Hello everyone. In my previous video, I have taught you NCERT exercise questions that are based on refraction. That was lecture number 3. So let's start today's video, that is lecture number 4, NCERT exercise questions based on refraction. So that is question number 9. Question number 9 statement is 1/2 of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. It means we are having a convex lens and half portion of this is covered with a black paper. Let lower half is covered with black paper. You know, black color does not allow the light to pass. It absorbs all the radiations, all the colors falling on it, all the light falling on it. Now the question is, will this lens produce a complete image of the object? Verify your answer and explain the observation. Even the lens half portion is covered with a black chart or a black paper, still yes, it will produce complete image. Okay, now we have to explain. Yes, it will produce complete image. We have to verify it. How can we verify? If any object is placed in front of it, for the image formation to take place, only two rays are necessary to meet first, that is parallel to principal axis. After passing through lens, it will pass through principal focus, and the second one, the ray which is passing through optical center, it will go straight without any bending, without any deviation. The point at which it will meet, there will be image formation. So AB, which is acting like an object forming an image A dash B dash. It means yes, that is the verification for image formation. Yes, image will be formed. Now we have to explain what did we observe. So what is the observation? Image is formed, but intensity of brightness will reduce. Image will formed, but intensity of brightness, it means क्योंकि जो लाइट पास कर रही है उसकी हाफ पोर्शन तो ये लेंस का ये हाफ पोर्शन एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है ड्यू टू ब्लैक शीट, तो इमेज विल फॉर्म, बट इंटेंसिटी ऑफ ब्राइटनेस, कितनी चमक होगी, विल गेट रिड्यूस, वो कम हो जाएगी. क्यों? क्योंकि ब्लैक कलर इज अ गुड ऑब्जर्वर, एब्जॉर्बर ऑफ लाइट, बिकॉज ब्लैक कलर is best absorber of light. It was question number 9. Based on reflection, let's start question number 10. In question number 10, statement is an object 5 centimeter in length. It means size of object, that is H, 5 centimeter. Height of object or size of object, that is denoted by H, and H is always positive. That is held 25 centimeter away from a converging lens. It means distance of object. Object is located at a distance of 25 centimeter. U is always negative. From a lens of focal length 10 centimeter. Converging lens. Converging lens means what? We have two lenses, convex or concave. Converging lens is a convex lens. Okay, so focal length, when the lens is converging in nature, focal length is positive and focal length is 10 centimeter. We have to draw the ray diagram, position, size and nature of the image. That is very important concerning your board exam. What we have to find out? Ray diagram first. Second, position, nature and size of image we have to find out. Okay, now firstly, u is minus 25 and focal length is 10. It means there is a convex lens, it is the principal axis, aperture by section point is known as optical center, here f, 2f, again f, 2f. Focal length is 10 centimeter. Okay, focal length is 10 centimeter and object is located at 25. 10, 2f means 20, beyond 2f the object is located. So it is clear to us, object is located beyond 2f. A ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. And the second ray which is passing through optical center, it will go straight without any bending, without any deviation, straight. The point at which these two intersect, image is formed. Object is A, B and image is A dash, B dash. Now, object distance is 25 centimeter. Size or height of object is 5 centimeter. Now, as we know we are using lens, so we have to apply lens formula. Lens formula. What is lens formula? 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. लेंस मीन्स लेस करना है, माइनस करना है. मिरर में मुझे ऐड करो, वहाँ प्लस करना है. हमें U गिवन है, F गिवन है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ V. कीपिंग V aside, that is equal to 1 by F. Minus means plus this side, 1 by U. What is F? F is 10. What is U? U is minus 25. So, here it was plus and this is minus. So, it can be combined in a single step, minus 25. Now, what is the LCM of 10 and 25? 1 by V, that is equal to 50. 10 5s are 55. 25 2s are 52. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 1 by V is equal to 3 by 50. Now, what is the value of V? Because for V, we have to invert 50 by 3. That is 16.6666. We can write it 16.67 centimeter. That is image position. Ray diagram done. Position of image done. V is positive. When V is positive, image is real and inverted. Why? Because V is positive. Okay. Now, we have to find out size of image. We know as per magnification formula, h dash upon h is equal to v upon u. What it is? It is magnification formula. Now h dash is equal to, on cross multiplication, because we want to find out the value of h dash. H dash is equal to h into v by u. What is h here? H is size of object, that is 5 centimeter. What is v here? V is, I have told you in my previous numerical section, in spite of using decimal number, I will use fraction. 50 by 3. U, what is u? U is minus 25. So u is in denominator, I will multiply 25 with minus sign. 25 ones are 25 twos are 5 twos are 10. 10 by 3 minus 10 by 3, that is minus 3.3333. So only minus 3.33 centimeter. As height is negative, negative means image is inverted. Inverted is always real, so it is telling that image is real and inverted. Okay, so in this way you have solved a numerical. This numerical, as per board exam, is of 5 marks. 2 marks ray diagram, 1 mark for position, 1 for nature, 1 for size. Overall it is of 5 marks. So focus on the numerical section. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. It means concave lens of focal length of concave, that is always negative, that is 15 centimeter, forms an image 10 centimeter. It means image is formed, it means image distance. Image distance is denoted by V. Forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. It means image is at 10 centimeter. We don't know about sign. How far the object placed from the lens? Object distance. U is to be find out. As we know, lens is concave. In concave lens, each and every image is virtual, erect, and small size. In that case, V, image distance, is positive. It negative. It can be clear to you using ray diagram. You know what it is? It is concave lens. In concave lens, if object is located anywhere this side, image is also formed along the same side. It means object and image both are along the same side. As both are along the same side means U, V both must be negative. But U is to be find out, so I am putting V negative. Now using lens formula, 1 by V minus 1 by U equals 1 by F. V is given to us, U is to be find out. So keeping U along right hand side, 1 by V minus 1 by F is equal to 1 by U. V given, f गिवन, सब्सटीट्यूटिंग, पुट करेंगे अब हम v और f की वैल्यू ताकि u की वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट कर सके। तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ v? -10. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ f? दैट इज -15. v -10 minus f -15, that is equal to 1 by u. So it will be equal to 1 upon 10 with minus sign plus 1 upon 15. Now what will be the LCM of 10 and 50? That will be 30. 10 3s are 30, 3 1s are 3. 15 2s are 30, 2 1s are 2. So -3 plus 2, that is equal to -1 by 30. Taking reciprocal, u is equal to -30 centimeter. So image distance is -30 centimeter. Here f is 15 to f, it will be 30. So object is located at 2f, a ray parallel to principal axis that will not pass through focus, it appear to coming from focus. Second ray that is passing through optical center will go straight. The point at which these two meet, that forms image. Okay, so AB is acting like an object, A dash B dash will act like an image. Okay, so in this way ray diagram over. So this was numerical, that is NCERT for concave lens. Now question number 16, find the focal length of a lens of power 2 diopter. It means power of lens is equal to -2 diopter. What we have to find out? Focal length of lens, also its nature. Now there is a relation between power of a lens, that is denoted by P, and focal length f, that is P is equal to 1 by f. As P is given to us, f is to be find out, so it implies f is equal to 1 upon P. What is P? P is -2 diopter, -2. 1 by 2 is 0.5 with minus sign. So focal length is equal to -0.5 meter. If we want to convert the focal length into centimeter, we can multiply it by 100. -0.5 into 100, so it will be equal to 50 centimeter. Power is negative. Negative power is for diverging nature. Power is negative. So nature is diverging. When nature is diverging, it means it is a concave lens. Lens is concave because nature is diverging nature. Now question number 17, last one for NCERT. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power +1.5 diopter. That is power of lens denoted by P +1.5 diopter. Find the focal length of a lens. Focal length, that is denoted by f. This is to be find out, and we have to tell what is the nature also. Now we know f is equal to 1 upon P, 1 upon plus 1.5, removing the decimal, it will be 15, 10 by 15. So 5 2s are 5 3s are, so it will be 2 by 3. 2/3 in meter. Diopter relates with meter. Now for centimeter, multiplying it by 100, it will be 200/3, that is equal to 66.666666, never ending. So I am writing here 66.67 centimeter. So it is the focal length. Now we have to find out nature. Power positive. So converging nature. If name of the lens is being asked, then it will be convex lens, because convex lens is a converging glass. So students, we have completed our theoretical as well as back exercise, means numerical section also for refraction. In my next video, I will start my new chapter, that is human eye and colorful world. So be with me. Till then, goodbye.